Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Bedtime with Badger. So before we crack open a drink, I've got some work to do. Loads of people have asked about what I've been doing with the house, so I thought I'd give you a quick look around what I've done and the more interesting projects that I'm probably going to film coming up. So let's go have a look at that. So first thing, here's a picture that's off the estate agent's website. Terrible image quality, but you can see the old gas fireplace, and behind that was a back boiler. So the very first thing I got done, it was actually the first weekend I came up here and got the keys, I got the back boiler pulled out and a new combi boiler put in the kind of kitchen diner bit. So as you can see, I've got a gaping great hole where that used to be. So over the last couple of weeks, I've been working on the living room. So I wanted to get a fireplace, but it's going to cost so much money. I've just kind of boxed it in and done a contrasting colour to make a bit of a feature out of it. So you can see the hearth has a bit of concrete, so I need to sort that out. I've painted the alcoves and the walls, but there's some copper pipes there that need boxing in, so I'm going to build some bookcases and box that in at the same time. All the sockets have been changed to new chrome ones. The floor, I got rid of the horrible carpet. This is all tongue and groove flooring, so I sanded it down and got some hard wax all on. There was a couple of patches where it had been cut open to put pipes, so that needed repairing. Yeah, so what do we need to do in here still? Right, well, I need to sort the hearth out, and then I'd like a mantle. I've got loads of bits of oak, but they're not that long, so I need to get some out and look at it and think if it's going to work there. I've got this old school desk I'm using as a coffee table, but it's a bit high, so I'd like to make a coffee table. So alcoves, mantle, coffee table, at least 3 reasonably interesting projects in here, and then I will move on to the hallway. So I've got all this that I'm going to need to make some kind of cabinet for and box in, and then I can start stripping and decorating in here. So that's about it. Right, so this week we've got a Chilean Pinot Noir because I have been making some lasagna and had to open a bottle. So cheers everyone. So you can see in the living room, I finished the kind of boring jobs of painting and sanding. I got some more interesting, anyway, woodworking jobs to do, so I'll try and film them. Got some stickers this week. Mr. Matt Makes Mess. Already got one. You're not paying attention, Matthew. But his new playing cards, Jack of all trades stickers, they're excellent. Also got some stickers from Germany, so they go up as well. Running out of room, we have to make a new board soon. So last week I was talking about the tyres for my bandsaw, and everyone gave me loads of advice, places to get them from, but I'd already ordered them. I'd ordered them Friday and they came Tuesday morning. I didn't get stung for customs charge, so they were excellent, and I'd have probably ordered them from there anyway, because all the ones in the UK are just like replacement rubber ones, as these are upgraded. I forgot what material they're made of. Anyway, they come with a lifetime guarantee, so they shouldn't perish, and they were hardly any more expensive. And I always say, look at things, and if you can get a better version for slightly more, I'm always going to do it. So they're on and they work great. Competitions on Instagram and YouTube both finish tomorrow midday Sunday, so if you want to win one of those totes and haven't tried yet, go and do it now. Right, 2 weeks ago I had a phone call from California from YouTube, and they were giving me some advice on my channel. They gave me a list of things I needed to do, but one of the things they suggested is I really dive into the analytics. I never really done that before, and I did it and saw how many subscribers I've lost in the last couple of months. And when I look deeper, I'm losing the most subscribers from Bedtime with Badger videos, and I get the most thumbs down on it, and I totally understand it's not everyone's cup of tea. I wouldn't want to listen to me waffle on as I drink, but some of you like it, some of you crazy people. So it's kind of looks like it's detrimental to my channel doing this, and I kind of understand why, because people subscribe to watch me make things, and this is different. So I've been trying to have a think about what I can do, because now I'm doing this as a business. I can't really afford to be losing that many subscribers, well, putting all this work into doing this, and for it to be losing me money. So what I've decided to do is move these videos to another platform. I've been toying with the idea of setting up Patreon for ages, so I'm going to put these on Patreon. I'll put a link to it above and below, and I'm going to move them over there over the next 4 weeks. And if you want to watch, you can go there to do it, and I'm not going to charge. This is not going to be behind a paywall. You can just watch it on the Patreon site. Obviously, if you want to become a Patreon, that'd be absolutely fantastic, and there's some rewards on there, and the money's going to go on to improving videos. Well, I've kind of spent some of the money already, actually, because I bought new lighting and new microphones after all my problems, but I spent hundreds of pounds this year and all that. But the videos are going to be on there, and I'm going to take them off YouTube. So they're going to be on here. I'll do this one and another 3 weeks on YouTube and on Patreon, and remind you each week that it's moving over. And then I will get it off my YouTube, and we'll concentrate on just building things over here. And on Patreon, we can have, people that are friends of the channel, just relax, chat, and you can still leave comments, and we won't upset all the other people. So I think that's about it. Thank you very much, everyone, and please have a look. I'll do it again. Patreon, up and below. Click over there, and if you want to continue watching these, bookmark that and have a look. Okay, speak to you next week. Cheers.